Okay, I signed everybody's numbers under my video. And now we're at the random numbers. 20 people qualified. The ones who didn't, either they were more than 3 names, which I deleted the extra names, or they didn't suggest a name. So we ended up with 20 possible names. Let's press start. And then let's press stop. Number 12. Let's see. Was Jill Cranes, I believe. Let's go to YouTube to verify all this. YouTube. Your channel. Videos. Okay. That was one of our answers, was 20. There we go. She put Gugu, but frankly, I don't care for that name. But she also suggested Little Bit. So that's the name I will go for, is Little Bit. Congratulations, Cranes. Contact me below. I will probably message you, and you will get your gift certificate on the 19th. So thank you for everybody who participated, and I will catch you later.